So if you're trying to clean your grout, I'm going to show you one of the best methods that I've found to clean grout yourself. And then over here is where I've used this cleaning solution, and it just does an excellent job. On the left, the clean grout lines, and on the right, the gross, dirty grout lines. And it just did an excellent job, but you can see the difference. So let me show you how to make up the mixture. I'll show you what I'm using. I'll put links for it in the description if you're interested. It's called OxyBoost. You can get it off of Amazon. And I'll show you this area after I clean it. I'll show you how easy it is to do. Just a hand brush, regular utility hand brush, nothing special there. But I did buy a special grout brush. If you're doing large areas, it kind of has a V to it and a squeegee, and also a 4-foot handle. So you don't have to do a lot of bending over if you're doing large areas. But this brush is excellent. I got it off of Amazon as well. I'll put links for it. And it was cheap. It was less than $10. 4 cups of the hottest tap water you can get. And then 1 ounce of the OxyBoost. I'll just put that in my hot water. Mix that up real good. And then I just take my brush, dip my brushes into this water, put it on the grout. I'll let it set in the grout line for maybe a couple of minutes. Anyway, let's take it in there and I'll show you how I apply it. And then I'll just take that solution, make sure it's stirred up well, and I'm dipping this small brush into it. Then I'll just apply it to the grout lines for an area that I'm going to work, to get it wet. I'll scrub that a little bit. Nothing really very serious, just a little bit, just to kind of work it in. And I found this brush that I got off of Amazon, this grout brush. Works really good for the edges with that angled bristle on it, and it's a stiff bristle. That's nice for getting up against the corners. And I'll just let that sit for about 5 minutes or so, and I'll come back and give it a good scrub with the brushes, and then wipe it down with a wet towel to rinse. Do that a couple times, rinse the towel off, come back with the towel, rinse it again, and then let it dry, and you'll be amazed at the difference. But you can see it's already starting to pull the dirt right out of the grout. Here's the part that I have not done, and then here's where the solution is. And it's already starting to work. Really, really nice. No baking soda residue to clean up. Once you wipe that down with a clean, damp cloth and rinse it, it's just like new. After drying for 30 minutes or so, this is the end result using the OxyBoost mixture and that brush right there that you see. It's got about a 4-foot handle on it. Here's the OxyBoost I used. Super pleased with the performance. I'll put links for both of those items in the description if you're interested in doing this for yourself. But the floor, here's that trouble area. Here's after. I'll put up a before. But a huge, huge difference cleaning this floor tile grout using the OxyBoost. Still not quite dry, but it's pretty close. But you got to admit, it's a massive difference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video or helped you out in any way, and we'll see you on the next video.